Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Last time we have done the linear equations, and mostly we did linear equations in one variable actually. And today we are doing some set pattern questions on it. I have tried to cover the basic concepts of it so that if any type of question will be there in the exam, you will be able to crack it. So starting with the first question. It says if 6x plus n equals 24x plus 36 minus 10, what's the value of 2x plus 3? See, there are two ways. One way in which you have to find the value of 2x plus 3 as a whole, which will give you answer a faster way. See, the conventional way, if you don't know how to do it, like a conventional way is to calculate the value of x and then substitute or plug the value of x here and you will get the answer. But obviously we have to minimize the time. So here what I will do, I will try to make this one to look like 2x plus 3. That means if I take out 2 out as common from here, I will get, or 3x, sorry. If I take out 3 out as common, this will be 2x plus 3. Similarly, from here, if I take out 12 as common, so remaining would be 2x plus 3. And this is what we have to calculate. We have to calculate the value of 2x plus 3. So now I'm substituting 2x plus 3 as y. So this will be 3y equals 12y minus 10. You'll get 10 is equals to 9y and y is equals to 10 over 9. And since y is 2x plus 3, so we know 2x plus 3 is equals to 10 over 9, which is answer B. The other way is the conventional way in which you have to solve this whole equation, calculate the value of x, and then after calculating the value of x, plug the value of x here in this equation and in this one to get the answer. Well, but because as I told you, we have to minimize the time, so that's why we have to substitute here just like this one, because this will save a lot of time. If you practice few more questions, then it will become easier for you to spot these type of questions. Next, a man is earning $10 per hour. He worked for 50 hours and then his manager increased his salary to $15 per hour. How many hours he has to work more to earn $2,000 in total? A man is earning $10 per hour. Okay, so he is earning $10 per hour. This is his earning. He worked for 50 hours. He has worked basically for 50 hours, and after the working of 50 hours, his manager has increased his salary to $15 per hour. Then how many days or how many hours he has to work to earn $2,000? So since he was earning 10 and he worked for 50 hours, that means he has already earned $500. Remaining is $1,500. Since he has already earned $500, then his wages were increased to 15. And let's say X be the number of hours he is working now. This has to be equals to 2,000 because 500 he has already earned, and now for working for X number of hours at the rate of $15, if you add them, it will give you 2,000. So how many hours he has to work more so that he can earn $2,000? So we just have to simply solve it, which will give you 15x is equals to 2,000 minus 500. I'll transpose it here, which is 1,500. And x is equals to 100. That means he has to work 100 hours more. Answer is C. Moving on to the next question. Question 3 says 2a minus 1 over 3 plus 4a plus 2 over 4 equals 1. Find b. You have to calculate the value of b if b is a negative reciprocal of a. If b is a negative reciprocal of a, that means we have to calculate the value of a first. So solving it, this is a simple conventional way of solving. We have to do it That means 2a minus 1 over 3. From here, just for the simplification, what I'm doing, I'm just taking out 2 out as common. This will give me 2a plus 1 over 4. So cancel here. I'll get 2a minus 1 over 3 plus 2a plus 1 over 2 equals 1. Now we have to take LCM, and LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 2 times 2a is 4a, and 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 over 6, plus 3 times 2a is 6a, plus 1 times 3 is 3 over 6 equals 1. Finally, we can combine the numerator as denominator is same. 4a minus 2 plus 6a plus 3 over 6 equals 1. Now 4a plus 6a is 10a, and 3 minus 2 is plus 1 over 6 equals 1. Multiply both the sides by 6. 10a is equals to 10a plus 1 is equals to 6. 10a is equals to 5 and a equals 2. Now b is negative reciprocal of a. So negative reciprocal, that means numerator goes in denominator, denominator comes in numerator. So reciprocal of a is 1 over a, that is 1 over 2. And negative reciprocal, that means negative here. So answer is negative half. Next question 4 says, if 2x minus 3 over 2 plus 5 is 10 more than 10, then find the value of 4x. That means this whole expression is 10 more than 10. Let's say this expression be y. This y is, let me interpret each and every word into a mathematical term or mathematical operator. So this whole term is that means is equals to 10 more than, that is plus 10. So y is equals to 20, or you can say that this whole expression is equals to 20. So 2x minus 3 over 2 plus 5 is equals to 20. Transpose 5 here. 2x minus 3 over 2 is equals to 15. Multiply both the sides by 2. 2x minus 3 is equals to 30. 2x is equals to 33. They are asking you to calculate 4x. If 2x is equals to 33, then 4x would be multiply both the sides by 2. So 4x is equals to 66. Answer is B. Moving on to the next one. Given px plus 3 equals 9, if 7x minus 3 is equals to 4, then find the value of p. See, px plus 3 equals 9. This is one expression, and then second is if 7x minus 3 equals 4, we have to calculate the value of p. That means in my first equation where I have to calculate the value of p, I should have the value of x. And for that, I have to solve the second equation, which is this one. That is 7x minus 3 is equals to 4. Now transpose it here, and while transposing, we always change the sign. 7x is equals to 4 plus 3, which is 7, and x is equals to 1. If you have the value of x, you can substitute here, which is px plus 3 equals 9. Substituting value of x as 1, p plus 3 equals 9. Finally, transposing, you will get p is equals to 6. Okay, so that's your answer. Moving on to the next one. X plus 1 over 2 plus 1 equals m times x minus 1 over 4. It says x plus 1 over 2 plus 1 is equals to m times x minus 1 over 4. In this equation, if no value of x satisfies this equation, then find the value of m. No value of x. That means let me just simplify the left hand side. So I need to, while simplifying, I have to make the denominator same. So this will be 2 and multiply by 2. 1 has a denominator 1 and I need to make it 2. So divide and multiply by 2. This will give me x plus 1 plus 2 that is x plus 3 over 2. M times x minus 1 over 4. Now, here, multiply both the sides by 4. So this will be 2 times x plus 3 equals m times x minus 1. Or 2x plus 6 is equals to mx minus m. Let me bring all x's on one side and all terms or the constants on another side. So 2m minus mx equals minus m minus 6. It means that the value of, here it's 2x. Clearly, if it doesn't have any value of x, it's not satisfying any value of x, that means the whole term of x will be vanished at all. And that can be possible only if m is also 2. If I put m as 2, so this will become 2x minus 2x equals minus m minus 6. M is also 2. So here 0 is equals to minus 8, which doesn't make any sense. 0 cannot be equals to minus 8. So that's the only possible value of m in which your x will be completely vanished. Your x will become 0. There is no term of x remaining here. And if there is no term of x remaining here, what you are finding? So m should be 2 so that there will be no value of x. So A is the correct option. This is how you just have to simplify this expression and bring all x's on one side and numbers on another side and see that what can be the possible value of m or any variable in that case. Moving on to the next one. For what value of x does 2x minus 3 mod equals 7? The modulus of 2x minus 3, that means a modulus is something that can make a positive value positive and negative value also positive. Mod x is equals to 7. And I have to calculate the value of x. Now the thing is, this x can be positive, can be negative. Because after putting that inside the mod, it is giving you positive value. But before this modulus, it will give you both values. It can be both values. It means if x is equals to negative 7, mod of it will be 7. If x is equals to 7, mod of it will also be 7. So how would you know that is it x equals negative 7 or x is equals to positive 7? Because after putting both the values inside the modulus, you will get the value as positive. And this is why when you open a modulus, we take both the values, a positive and a negative. That means when I open it, 2x minus 3 equals 7. Or on opening the modulus, 2x minus 3 will be negative 7 as well. Or whole negative of 2x minus 3 equals 7, it means the same. So ultimately, because before the modulus, 2x minus 3 is equals to 7 or 2x minus 3 is equals to negative 7. When you solve it, the first equation, you will get 2x is equals to transposing 10 and x is equals to 5. For the second equation, transpose it here. 2x is equals to minus 4 and x is equals to minus 2. So the two values that you will get is x equals 5 or x is equals to minus 2. Because in both the case, if you put them inside the modulus, you will going to have the value 7. So this is our answer, B. Moving on to the next one. Find the value of x if 2 times 4x minus 3 over 2 plus 1 by 4 equals negative x over 8. First thing that we can do is we can directly cancel out from here, but ultimately we have to take LCM. So better is not to cancel it out. Instead, take the LCM. So 2 times 4x minus 3 over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals negative x over 8. because LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So I need to multiply this with 2 in order to make it 4. And similarly, I'll do the same here. So this will become 4 times 4x minus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals negative x over 8. This will be 4 times 4 is 16x. 4 times 3 is minus 12 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals negative x over 8. Now, we have made the denominator same. We just need to add it up. It will give you 16x minus 11, because minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11 over 4 equals minus x over 8. It's now very simple. Just multiply both the sides by 8. This will be 2 times 16x minus 11 equals minus x. After multiplying both the sides by 8, I got this one. Expanding this bracket, I'll get 32x minus 22 equals minus x. Bring this here. 32 plus x, because when you transpose, the sign changes. So 33x minus 22 equals 0, or 33x equals 22. And x equals 22 over 33, which will give you 2 over 3 as the answer, which is D. I just simplified it. We have already done that one. You can go back and see the theory part and you'll be able to do it very easily. Moving on to the question 9. This question 9 again deals with the mod thing. Well, cancelling out, the very first thing is cancelling out the negative sign to both the sides, or multiplying both the sides by negative 1. So I'll get 4x plus 3 inside the mod is equals to 2. Now, after this, we know that a modulus can be positive, can be negative. So 4x plus 3 can be 2, and 4x plus 3 equals negative 2. On removing this modulus, I'll get to know that 2 can be positive and can be negative both. On solving the first condition, 4x, transpose it here, this will be minus 1, and x is equals to minus 1 over 4. That's first value of x. Now, for the second one, solving this one, again, I'll be doing, that means transposing, and you have to subtract 3. So 4x is equals to minus 2 minus 3. So 4x equals minus 5. And x is equals to minus 5 over 4. So we have two different values for x, negative 1 over 4 and negative 5 over 4. So answer is B. Moving on to the next one. If value of x lies between 0 to 3, then find the minimum value of p. See, let me make p the subject. So it will be 7x minus 3 over 2p minus 1 equals x plus 2. Either you have to make p the subject first, or we can do it later. But we can do like this. 7x minus 3 over x plus 2 equals 2p minus 1. I just swapped it. This is called cross multiplication. So 7x minus 3 over x plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 2p. So, because the value of x lies between 0 to 3, so let me put the values. And what I'm doing, I'm just putting 0, 1, 2, 3, because this is the value of x. We are not taking the decimal or any fraction values here, it's just the integers. So if x is lying between 0 to 3, so I'm putting these values here. On putting 0, it will be minus 3 over 2 plus 1, which is negative half, equals 2p. And p is equals to negative 1 over 4. When I put 3, the maximum value, so this will give me 21 minus 3 over 5 plus 1. This will give you 18 over 5 plus 1, or you can say 23 over 5 is equals to 2p, or p is equals to 23 over 10, which is 2.3. Now let me put one more value of it, that is 1. So on substituting or plugging the value of x here, so I'll get 7 minus 3 over 3. 7 into 1 is 7 minus 3, and x is 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1 is equals to 2p. 4 over 3 plus 1 equals 2p. And this will be 7 over 3 equals 2p, or p is 7 over 6. You can clearly see you will get the minimum value at x equals 0, which is none other than negative 1 over 4. And what we are seeing that as the value of x is increasing, the value of this whole expression is also increasing, the value of p is also increasing. So we can say that definitely if the numbers are increasing and values are also increasing, that means at 0 you will get the minimum value, which is negative 1 over 4. Moving on to the last question. If mod of x plus 3 equals negative 2, find the possible values of x. The first and the very most important thing is you can give the answer just by looking at it. And the answer is that no value of x can satisfy this, because we know whenever we put any number inside the modulus, the answer is always positive. That means suppose whatever be the value of x, when I put that inside the modulus, answer is going to be 7, 3, 4. But modulus of something can never be negative. Modulus means when you put it outside, or when you put any number inside it, the whole answer will become positive. So how mod of x plus 3 can be equals to negative 2, which is not possible. So in that case, I can say that this is not possible and no value of x can satisfy this. So answer is D. So these were the basic few questions of SAT. If you are looking for some harder questions and some more practice question, you can buy our worksheets as well. All you need to do is just email us at exactacademy@gmail.com and we can share you the further details. If you're looking for SAT classes, so you can enroll yourself, book a free demo, and classes are at just $7 per hour. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a great day.